Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to cover the autoresponder feature in Kirim email. So autoresponders are e-newsletters that are automatically sent to your subscribers on your mailing list. They are triggered based on rules that you set and time intervals that you define. So let's say for instance you have a website or a landing page and you have a form on that website. Whenever somebody subscribes on your form, automatically an email can be sent out or a series of emails can be sent out. You can do that by setting up autoresponders. Now in traditional or many email service providers, you have either autoresponder or automation, but in Kirim email you have two different features. Autoresponder is separate to automation. That's because they have defined certain steps that you can undertake. I'm going to show you that in this video. Once you open the autoresponder tab, you will be shown a similar screen to this, wherein your existing or running autoresponders will be shown. You will also be shown the autoresponders that are currently in draft. I don't have any. I have two of them which are currently running. You can take 4 actions. If you click on the actions button, you can see the report. You can edit the autoresponder that you have set up. You can duplicate or you can delete. When I click on report, you will be shown the metrics of your certain autoresponder. You will be shown the total number of recipients who have enrolled. You will see the total number of opens. So 104 opens in total, 11 clicks, 0 unsubscribes and 62 bounces. Here you will be shown the percentages and then the open rate and click rate and the total clicks. You can click over here and further see which recipients have opened your emails and who has clicked on it. I'm just going to create a new autoresponder now, and automatically Kirim email has defined certain emails to educate your audience or to sell your product. So using this, I mean, a lot of email marketing can be automated if you set up things correctly. Subscribers can receive key messages from your business without having to worry about sending messages individually to each subscriber. So they have defined over here the introductory email followed by educate your audience. This is 1 day after the last email, that is after the introduction email. So after every 1 day, they have set up an email. So after educate, then you have educate your audience plus introducing your product. Then you can soft sell, then you can educate your audience, hard sell, educate your audience again, and then again soft sell. You can always change the number of days after which you can send. So for example, this third email I want to be sent out after 2 days. So I'll click over here and then change the number of days. I can change the number of days after which the email will be sent out. So delay is after 3 days. I can also change over here to number of hours. You can always publish it once you're done. So the first introductory email is sent out immediately after somebody subscribes, and then here you can set up the email. You can also click here to set up your email. This is the email builder. I showed you how to use this email builder in my previous email. So if you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and watch it. You can use the same email builder in each of these stages. You can also set up your email here. You can write the email and keep it ready. You can further add some more emails after the last stage, or you can delete any of these stages if you want. If you want to delete this one, just come here and click the delete button. So this will be deleted, and you can set up your own series of emails. You can also click on send preview and a test email will be sent out. Right. Further over here on the top, you will see the content. You can write the autoresponder title. And on the settings tab over here, you will be shown the autoresponder status. You can turn this on, and here you'll have to define if you want to send this autoresponder, if you want this autoresponder to be triggered to an existing recipient in the list. So for example, if you are launching a new product now, or if you want to welcome new subscribers rather, you want to welcome the new subscribers who are going to subscribe in the future on a form on your website, not those who have already subscribed. So here you will have to define if you want to send it to existing recipient or not. So in the example, in the use case that I've just told you, welcoming new subscribers, you will have to keep this turned off. If you want to turn this on, it would mean that it will be sent out to all the existing recipients in all your lists. So this is something which you need to take a decision on, and it should make sense, whatever the use case you have. And if you want to add any list, then you can always come down over here and select the list, all the subscribers in these lists. I'm going to go back to content. So all the series are over here, all the series emails are over here. and you can just set up your emails. You can design your emails, and you can change the email subject over here. You can set the status, the delay, the unit, whether it is days or hours. You can send the preview and check, and then you can delete. So it's very simple and very straightforward. Your emails are continuously sent out. One of the things which is lacking over here is you cannot define if you can resend or to those people who have not opened. That is something which you cannot do. That you can only do using the broadcast feature. Again, there's a separate video on the broadcast feature. You can look it up. So the main benefit of AutoResponder is very clear. It saves you a lot of time. You don't have to send separate email to each new subscriber, a welcome email or whatever you want. Another benefit of setting up AutoResponder emails is revenue for your business, as long as you're clever in how you're using the AutoResponders. So if somebody subscribes, you can just send them a welcome email without giving too much information. And the second email, you can write something about your business or about your product, just an introduction. I'm sure whoever subscribes, it's an opt-in email, so the person is aware of what your products are. The third email, you can add your products. You can clearly mention what products you have, and Kirim's templates, there are a lot of templates that they have that you can use to list your products. And then you can keep on going 1 day or 3 days or 2 days, whatever you want to define. You can send out a series of emails, whether you want to send 5 or 10. So that's it for this email, for this video, and I'll see you in the next.